make a straight cut. It's pretty strong actually. I keep my hand on it and I guide it with my left hand while I pull with the right hand. Okay. Okay. It's actually working. This part is a bit too close. Kind of worked. Without too many gadgets, it really works if you need to. No need to use a special tool. This here is one continuous piece of PET plastic. I cut it manually, it's not perfect. It's pretty good. It worked eventually, but not with the stick, not with any other gadgets, just cutting it smoothly, slowly. It works.